Hey foodie fan, welcome back to my channel, Califoodie Dreamin. I'm Ashley. Now let's get to eating. Hey y'all, welcome back. I haven't seen y'all in a few days. So today we have Nashville's hot chicken and waffle sandwich that I will be trying for the very first time. And then I have some macaroni and cheese and some greens. And I think this is iced tea. I think Daryl got an iced tea in here. Okay, so I'm going to say grace and we are going to eat. Amen. All right, let's go, y'all. I guess I better try the sandwich first, huh? So far, let me let you see it. Ooh, it's a little piece missing there. KFC. All right, there we go. Y'all see that? It don't smell hot, but let's try it. Crunchy. That's good, y'all. It's pretty good. It's I want to say it's kind of, I don't want to say it's small because they give you a nice sized piece of meat. That's why they give you a nice sized piece of meat. I'm not sure if the waffle was crunchy when I first bought it, but I bought it home, so I don't know if it got soggy or what, but they have some type of sauce, which I'm guessing it's the Nashville sauce or whatever kind of sauce it is, and some hot stuff. But y'all, I really don't like waffles. I know I'm such a weird like breakfast person. I don't really eat breakfast like pancakes and waffles and French toast and all that stuff, but this ain't bad. Pretty good. It's like this. So the sauce on it is kind of like, it's spicy. Not too spicy, but it has like a little sweet thing going on with it too. My greens are a little hot. So, how are y'all doing? Did y'all see my last, got one. Did y'all see my last vlog? I tried a vlogmas. I'm not doing it every day though, y'all. Now this macaroni and cheese, I wanted to try Cracker Barrel's macaroni and cheese, and it was bland or whatever, but you know, of course I had to doctor it up and fix it, but it's good now. Now, if you saw something is like, something tastes like brown sugar or has like a sugar texture in the bottom. That's interesting. Okay. If you saw my last vlog, Then you saw us putting up the Christmas tree. Well, I love Christmas. And Christmas time. And that's probably the last video with Peyton because I'm not sure with these new YouTube rules and stuff. I think they went into effect in December, so I don't, you know, my videos aren't really for kids, so I don't want to put her in it and then there's a problem. Even though my channel ain't monetized yet, but I'm almost at 200. I'm like maybe 4 away. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe if you are new to this channel. I'm trying to get there. Should put more macaroni on my plate. But it's okay. It won't be a long video. I know y'all got things to do. That's not bad. I have to tell y'all, we went out to a Korean barbecue restaurant, me, Daryl, and Peyton, and we went with a few parents, a set of parents from Skip's, from Daryl's school. And they are Korean. So we went to this Korean restaurant and they showed us the ropes. It was so amazing. The food was so good. We let them order and they showed us how to do it. And then we had like short rib, another type of beef, and we had chicken. And then they bring you all these different types of sides. So if you haven't been to like a Korean barbecue spot, you have to go. It's so good. I would love to go and vlog there and do like a mukbang there and show you because it was so amazing. And they like talked us through, showed us how to eat it, like what to eat it with. That was awesome. I'm really glad we went with them. And then afterwards, we went to a Korean bakery. The ice cream was so creamy and delicious. And what else? And then their desserts, they weren't like overly sweet, but they were really good. So I plan on taking you there too. Maybe I can do it all in one. So good. And at the Korean restaurant, you know, they make the food in front of you. Well, not the sides, but they make the meat on the grill in front of you. That's so weird. I'm kind of full because Peyton was eating potato wedges. And I kept biting off the hard part for her on the potato wedge, or the, you know, the crusty part, well, crust part. It was too hard for her. And I was biting it off and giving her the soft part. And then I started getting full. But I'm gonna finish. Let's talk real quick about a Hallmark movie. I gotta figure out what this movie's called. I'm already starting off bad. Oh my god. Anyway, I'll put the movie title right here of what this movie is called. But this movie was so good. It was on the Hallmark Channel, and it had Candace Cameron Bure, which y'all know she's like queen of Hallmark. And she was in foster care like all her life. Her dad passed when she was 6. And I don't know what they said about her mom, but I just know her mom wasn't in her life. She didn't remember her mom. And so she was on her way to a teaching job where she got this job somewhere. And then her train broke down on the way to this job. Her train broke down in Greaton Falls. And so she was, she got this angel when she was little. And they showed it in the beginning of the movie where the father, he was about to put the angel on top of the tree. And he kind of got dizzy or something happened, which I guess was something to let us know he was sick. But he kind of got dizzy and he kind of like fell or stumbled off the ladder and he broke the angel wing. So in Greaton Falls, they sent the angel wing back, and that's where they originally got the angel from Greaton Falls. So she's kept this wing, the broken wing, all her life. And so she breaks down in this town, and she's there, and she's meeting all these people, and a guy that she accidentally meets because she thinks he's the taxi cab driver. And so he has a son, a foster son, and basically this angel was getting passed all around. And at the very end, sorry, spoiler alert, you should be watching Hallmark. At the very end, of course, she falls in love with the guy, and she actually gets a teaching job there. So everything falls in place. And then this little kid that he fosters, she ends up adopting. Oh my God, it was so good. And after adopting him, he actually gave her this angel and was like, sorry, it's missing a wing. And she had the wing in her purse and put it to the angel, and it was like, oh, it was so good. Y'all gotta watch it. Even though I just told you everything that happens. But you can watch it play out. It's good, I'm telling you. Okay, I'm not eating the part with just the waffle. So what else is going on? I'm trying to think anything new. My parents are coming. So you will see them on this channel. I want to try this really new recipe with my mom And I know it's something y'all gonna really like. And I'll try the recipe with my mom and then have her on my channel to eat it with me. And I can show you the recipe. Running out of time on my camera. Okay. Okay, I'm not eating this because this doesn't have any more chicken. No, I don't eat waffles like that. But it was good. I really enjoyed it. And I am done. I would recommend a sandwich. It was pretty good. But that's it, y'all. What else is there to talk about? But anyway, I will see you on the next one. I will see you Friday. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. Please, I thank you for watching. Stay blessed and happy holidays. I will see you on the next one. Bye.